This assessment reminds us some of our so-called allies in learning. You're not alone as you approach this course. You have your instructor, you have your classmates, you have the tutoring center, the learning assistance center, teaching assistants, recitation sections, roommates, etc. Use your allies. Use your allies. Make a list. Figure out what's available to you. And again, we talked about this earlier. By making that list, it doesn't mean you have to use all of them from the beginning, but be prepared to use all of them at some point. Don't try to do this on your own because you don't have to, right? You don't get more credit for going alone and getting a C or whatever. Use your allies. Use what's out there. If you're not sure what's out there, ask your instructor what's out there. Ask previous students. Figure out what can be there to help give you a better chance to succeed at organic chemistry, and use those allies from the beginning. Use those allies. Don't wait until you're in a hole, right? As I did, right? It took me 2 exams of really struggling before I realized, man, my professor knows organic chemistry, and he knows how to learn organic chemistry. I should try to spend some time with him learning. I messed up during my first 8 weeks, but eventually he became my biggest ally. Find yours and use it. It'll make this challenging course so much easier for you.